So these books I'm going to keep. Yes, there are a lot of them. These books I'm going to sell. And these books are from the library, so I need to return them. Why is this the biggest stack of books? I don't know.